Dear plus 2 accountancy students, good morning. Now in this session we shall discuss Unit 7 Company Accounts. In this chapter, book back theory questions are discussed. Very short answer questions are discussed first. There are 5 questions. What is a share? The capital of a company is divided into small units of fixed amount. These units are called shares. There are 2 types of shares: equity shares, preference shares. Person who buys shares is called shareholder. Second question: what is oversubscription? When the number of shares applied for is more than the number of shares offered for subscription, it is said to be oversubscription. Ajay Limited issued 10,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each at face value, but it has received applications for 12,000 shares is an example for oversubscription. What is meant by calls in arrear? When a shareholder fails to pay the amount due on allotment or on calls, amount remaining unpaid is known as calls in arrear. In other words, the amount called up but not paid is calls in arrear. Interest may be charged on calls in arrears if articles of association so provides, not exceeding 10% per annum. Fourth question: write a short note on securities premium account. When a company issues shares at a price more than the face value, that is nominal value, the shares are said to be issued at a premium. If 10 rupee shares are issued for rupees 12, the excess amount of rupees 2 is premium. For this premium, securities premium account is credited. Securities premium account is shown under reserves and surplus as a separate head in the balance sheet liability side. Fifth question: why are shares are forfeited? When a shareholder defaults in making payment of allotment or call money or both, the shares may be forfeited. On forfeiture, the shares allotted is cancelled, and to that extent share capital is reduced. The person ceases to be a shareholder of the company after the shares are forfeited. On forfeiture, the amount so far paid by the shareholder is forfeited, which is a gain to the company and is credited to the forfeited shares account. Thank you, students.